can rotate it like this, increase the size a little bit, take it to back. Okay.
TC Graphic.
Exploring creativity daily.
Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to design this event flyer. As you can see, it is very simple, and everything here was achieved using Pixel Lab. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I did it. You're going to follow me and I'll show you step by step how I did it. And if this is your first time visiting this channel, please kindly go ahead and subscribe and like this video, and as well turn on your notification bell. And my returning viewers, if you have not subscribed, please kindly go ahead. All right, and let me hide it. Okay, sorry, yeah, this is hide. So you can see this is just image, so image of the design. So when you open your Pixel Lab, you're going to have a default canvas like this. So first thing I did was to come to this place and then go to gradient, and okay, so let's just choose color. I don't really use gradient here. Come here and I'll select the color that is here, the color of this background. So you just have a color like this. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is to, let me hide this now. Next thing I'm going to do is to come to this place and use a shape, and take the opacity down and come to stroke. Okay, come to stroke and increase it, then take it down until you're not seeing any dots. That dots at the middle disappears. Increase the size here, then come to this color of the stroke and come here. So we're going to pick any of them. I'm going to pick this color. Alright, so this is it. So increase it like this. So put it somewhere here, make a copy of it. Let's check the color of that one. Okay, so come here and make use of this one. Okay, a little bit darker, so I'm gonna make a copy again, and this one here. Okay, so the color here is still the same anyways. It's the same, but there are differences. Okay, so I have something like this now in total. So go ahead and lock them. Alright, so I'll go ahead and create another shape, this white shape, and then bring it and put it somewhere here. Okay, good to go. Alright, so let me check again and see the next thing we did. Alright, so let me bring in this man first. I'll go ahead and import. Click on import, and you go to your gallery. You'll be able to select where that image is. So right now it is on my I've selected it on my photo room, so bring it somewhere here and keep. Alright, so you're gonna work on this image. I've taught us this for those that have been following this channel for a very long time. So come to saturation and reduce it a little bit, and come to contrast, increase it. Alright, you can see the difference now. Okay, take it down like this. Alright, so lock it and pick your text tool, and you're gonna write elevate. Alright, elevate 2024. Sorry, calculator. And the font you are going to use is called Bebas New. It's called Bebas New Italic. this one, Pepas New Pro Bold Italic. Alright, so the color, let's make use of the color there. So let's zoom out and pick that color. Alright, so I've picked it. So that's the color we're using. Okay, so let me just show us the color code in case if we don't get it, but you can always copy from the design. So that's the cheapest way. Instead of typing the code, you can just copy from the design. Alright, you take a screenshot of the design and copy all the colors there, and you're good to go. Okay, so I can make a copy of that and write business conference. Make it capsulators. Okay, so same, I will come here and I will copy this color as well. Okay, so reduce it until you have perfect alignment. Alright, so make sure you align it properly. Alright, so you have something like this. Okay, so I'm taking my time to teach this because a flyer of this kind, you hardly see them on Facebook. Alright, you hardly see them. So next thing is sorry, did I say Facebook or YouTube? You hardly see them on YouTube. Okay, YouTube videos. Okay, so I'll write this one and I'll write wet. You see wet? Financial, I don't know, financial blueprint, financial. Okay, so you're going to make use of this font. The font is called Bebas, the same Bebas. Okay, but now it is regular, not italic. Now you're going to make use of this one. Okay, so the color is pure white. Make sure you align your work properly. Okay, align them properly. So put this one here. Alright, so make a copy. For those who wish to be my private class, you can as well come now when there's discount. Okay, so where I explained everything, principles guiding design, logo designs, everything. So this is the right opportunity to come in. Okay, so this one is blueprint, financial blueprint. Okay, same color, same size. Make copy and write reshaping. All right, so when you write this one, I think I'll leave it like this because from the original design, I think all of them they're not carrying the same size. I think all of them, they were not the same size here. Okay, but I'm going to leave it like this. It's better this way. Alright, so I want to create something far better here now, sir. Okay, so I have it like this, and what I'm going to do again now is to change the color of this one. Come here and go to gradient, and this place, come here, go to the design, and I'll pick that color. Let me zoom out so that I can see it properly. So I pick that color and I'll come here. This one is black, it's pure black. Okay, so and I have it like this. No, come here and make use of this particular gradient. Okay, so I have it like this. Perfect. All right, see that? It's not that visible, so I'm gonna, so this one we have here, I'm gonna increase it a little bit. Sorry. Okay, so see what I have. Good. So I'll go ahead and lock them, and go to ship again, and the same process. Opacity should be around 25. Then go to stroke. Okay. All right. When you go to stroke, you now come here. The color of your stroke should be this. Okay. You can see it, you know the color already, so this is the color code in case you want to type it, D0F1F8. Alright, so you have something like this. Okay, but I want to be sure that this is the same color I made use of. I believe it's the same. Okay, maybe I can copy from the design, edit, so let me just be sure. Let me make use of the same color that's here. Okay, so it's the same thing. All right, so when you do this, come to your opacity, reduce it a little bit. It's much more visible. I hope you can see the effect it's creating, that shape. All right, so I'll have it like this. Place it somewhere here. Okay, so after that, okay, after placing it here, okay, you can lock it and then create small shape like this, like okay, so after creating it, you can just rotate it a little bit and place it somewhere here. Follow me so that you don't miss any step. Okay, all right, so after that, you merge the two. After merging the two, come to this place. It is called erase color, and you have removed it. Okay, that's nice. So lock it now. Lock it. So I want to adjust this a little bit. Okay, so we're good to go. So there's something I want to check. I want to be sure we're using the same size. Okay, so let me increase this, and then okay, so I get it. So let me take it down. All right, so I'm gonna work on this shape, take it down a little bit. Okay, so it should be here, somewhere here. All right, good. So pick your text tool and you're going to write something like this: exploring the power of the mind. In wet creation. I think that was, what is there? Okay, exploring the power of the mind in wet creation. Okay, that's what is there. Okay, so come to fonts, and we're going to make use of you can make use of font, simple fonts like Montserrat or Poppins. Maybe let me look at Poppins regular. Okay, so make use of Poppins regular. Come to alignment, use center alignment, and go to spacing, reduce your spacing. All right, so you have something like this. Okay, good, nice. So you're gonna pick your text tool and you're gonna write title, recapitulator. Okay, so this one, the color, this color you made use of before, and go to font. Sorry, go to font and make a Montserrat, or maybe Montserrat bold, or any other one, or Poppy's bold, anyone. Now reduce the size. Okay, reduce the size and come to your rotate. Just make sure it is perfect. Alright, you can use your position to bring it there in the right place. Okay, so position it properly, and this is what you have. Okay, this is what you have. Alright, so I'll leave it like this. Okay, so I'll now write Dr. Kenneth, that's the name of the host, Kenneth DK. Okay, host, okay, so we'll write it like this, and very important, use center alignment. Okay, center alignment, reduce it a little bit. All right, okay, so you have something like this, and go to font, and Poppins regular, everything Poppins regular. Okay, all right, so go to color and only the host, make it this color. Okay, okay, so good. So let me check again. So after that, what we have, okay, the date, and I'll write date. I'll write date. Say that it is let's say May 12th, 2024. I'm gonna put it that way. Sorry, good. So we're having something like this. Use nice fonts. Okay, have something like this. Okay, so make a copy. Just very simple design. Just write dates. Sorry, this one now is time. Let's say 8:30 a.m. West African time. So what? Make everything calculator under. We're good to go. You see, so we have something like this. Okay, so all right, so see that. Okay, so I think I'll bring this up a little bit. Okay, so and this shape, let me bring it up again a little bit. We're almost done, but there's another trick you need to see. So come to this one and reduce it. So the color is this is the color. Maintain your alignment, please. right? And not everyone will teach you this YouTube. Okay, all right. So you have something like this, and you now go ahead and bring in the logo for the venue. If it is Google Meet, if it is whatever it is, or just write the venue, and I'll pick. Okay, I'll just type venue. Very simple something I did. Okay, the color now should be black. Perfect. So, and fonts, I use Poppins regular. Make it capital letter, please. Sorry. So after this, I'm gonna bring in your icon now. Import. So you can see this is my Zoom logo, and I bring it in, reduce it to fit in perfectly. And you're good to go. Put it here like this. Okay, all right, perfect. So this one I want to work on it again, so increase the size a little bit and then position it properly. Perfect. So that's another thing I did. This is it. Just make use of any shape, rotate it like this, and then place it here. So I made use of that. Okay, the color here is this one, you know. Okay, so copy that and bring it down again. So the color should be this one, right? Alright, so now make a copy of that and bring it here like this. The color is this first one, and then make a copy of it and bring it down. So the color now is this other one, and you're good to go. Is there another thing that you have not done? Okay, very important thing. I've not brought my background, so very important. If you check this, let me show us now. If you look at this original design, you will see something. All right, you will see something like lines. You can see all those lines inside, so that's what I want to show us now. Okay, so I'll go ahead and bring my background. Okay, so this is it. Okay, now after bringing it, you can see it is pure red, so we don't want to make use of it like this. So we're going to go to color filter and work on it like this. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to scale it up. I'm going to scale it up like this, and I'll take it to back. Perfect. So, and I'm going to scale it up a little bit bigger. So, and that's how I get this effect. So you can go to your opacity and take it down a little bit. Take it down. Okay, take it down a little bit. Okay, it depends on what suits you. Okay, yeah, so as it, scale it up properly and just align it to get what you want. Perfect. So, and I'll go ahead and lock it. Okay, there's something I did again. You can come to Bezier tool and you can just scale this up, the stroke. Sorry, opacity should um the stroke. You can just increase the stroke a little bit, and then your color. Sorry. So your color. Or this, okay. I hope you saw what I did. So you can just use this to do a little manipulation the way you want it to be, anyhow. Okay, so it creates such effects there. I'll reduce a little bit, so, and you're having something like this. Okay, so if you are still watching at this point, I think it's time for you to subscribe. I shows maybe you really love this, and I want you to please click on that like button and share this video, share it to your friends, okay, so that they can learn from you as well. Okay, they can learn from this tutorial. Okay, so don't keep the knowledge alone to yourself. It is free. You can share it to those that matter to you. All right, so that's the end of the tutorial, and you go ahead, come to this place and click save, select virtual dimension, and you have saved your work. This is the end of the tutorial. See you next time. I might drop another video tomorrow or next tomorrow, so stay connected to this channel and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Thank you and goodbye. See you.